Hey guys, today I have Diva bag by Sonya. I joined Lane in the game and she no longer does the subscription, but because my payment went through, she went ahead and put a bag together for me. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and you let me know what you think that this bag is worth. Okay, so the first item that I'm pulling out of the bag is eyelashes, Ardell Color Impact. This looks like these are demi wispies in the color of blue. Beautiful. I have been able to do magnetic eyelashes, but I'm just not, I haven't had any luck with the glue. These are the ones with the glue. And I hate to waste them and try to put them on because they're beautiful. It's something I would actually wear. But I'm just not coordinated. I just cannot do the regular glue on. So not sure what I'm going to do with these yet, but definitely beautiful. I don't know what they cost. I'll look it up and put it here on the screen somewhere. All right, so pulling out the next one. Looks like eyes. So this is NYX Professional Makeup Build 'em Up Powder Brow Filler. And it's in brown. Does it say the color? Looks like soft brown, so definitely not my shade. So not sure what I will do with that one, but that's definitely a nice product as well. I'll put the price somewhere on the screen. Okay, so the next one is TooFaced Metallic Sparkle Lipstick in the shade Hot Flash. Oh, is that pretty? So definitely going into my purse. This is a favorite of mine so far. Very pretty. Love that shade of red and the sparkles, so I'll look up the price and I'll put that on the screen as well. All right, so pulling out the next is a MaryKay product. And it looks like makeup remover. It's in a size 1 ounce, so nice for travel. And it says it's oil-free. I haven't used MaryKay products in so many years, so this is nice. Don't think I've seen it in a subscription either, so all right. Okay, pulling out the next one. Would it be Billion Dollar Brows? Is that what this container is? Oh, I love it. This is so cute. Could use that to store stuff. All right. So cool. Look at that. Let me see if I can get it out of the container. Beautiful. Look at the stones on that. And now I'm thinking that this is an eyeliner. So there's nothing here to tell me, so maybe I can look this up and let you know, and I'll put a price on the screen as well. Looks like she threw in some candy. All right, so the next, is Laurie Mercier lipstick samples. Oh, aren't those pretty? I would wear all 3 of those samples. Love it. So definitely going to use those. It comes with a little stick, so you can pop those out and you can use the stick to apply it. Cute. All right. So I'll try those. Okay, so let's pull the rest of the stuff out. And we have more candy. Tootsie Roll. And stickers of some sort. Yeah. Actually look like it might go on the face, huh? Around the eye maybe. We'll see. And more candy. And, okay, Corinthians. All right, God is our merciful Father, phrase there. And then the back is, I am an overcomer. The storms in life are not permanent. As they pass through my life, I will emerge stronger, more compassionate, and courageous. Amen. All right, let's see what is in the bag now. Okay, bar soap, Tom's. Creamy coconut with virgin oil, gentle on the skin, triple milled. Okay, yeah, we'll definitely use that. It's a nice little bar soap. I might just dump the rest of the stuff out of this bag. All right, so this is Clear Proof Deep Cleansing Charcoal Masks, and it looks like 2 of them, so that's a nice little sample as well. Okay, so it looks like she wrote me a note. Joan, hey, thank you for your patience and follow-up reaching out to let you know your bag has been missed. Normally you get a perfectly typed up card with all the product info, but since I put yours together in a special package today, I hope you can read my writing. Your bag is COVID friendly. Since numbers are high again, we are focusing on skin and eyes. Touch up your brows with NYX, build up them brow filler, apply lash with ease, and your eyeliner lash applicator pen. Make a standout bold statement with these blue strip lashes by Ardell and enjoy the beautiful colors of Maybelline Soda Pop palette. But that's not all. Have a little fun with these quick star eyeshadow tattoos. Okay, so yeah, it's for the face, around the eye. And when you can gather safely and unmask, enjoy several colorful lipsticks from TooFaced and Laura Mercier. And when the day is done, remove makeup gently by splashing a few drops of MaryKay makeup remover on a cotton ball. And holding your eye for 10 seconds will wipe away the swipe. Wash your face with the soothing Tom's Beauty Bar. Apply the MaryKay charcoal mask and take away extra oil dirt away, causing breakouts. Wash away and apply your favorite moisturizer. Here's a happy face, Sonya. Okay, that was very nice of her. And here we have her battle is my battle. So we have a breast cancer pink bow pin. Okay, and then it looks like a MaryKay pamphlet, winter of 2021. And yeah, I'll take a good look at that later. She probably sells MaryKay. Okay, last but not least is the palette. And I think it is really, really pretty. I don't wear makeup eyeshadows, especially dark eyeshadows, often, but these creamy champagne glitter shades on here are really, I might have to keep it. I really think those are pretty. I'll have to look through my collection and see if I have those shades or enough. If not, I'm not sure what I'll do with it yet, but yeah, definitely very pretty. I'll try to get a price on that as well and put that up on this screen so we can kind of get an idea on how much this actual bag is worth. So definitely let me know what you think the bag is worth, and then in the description I'm going to let you know what I actually paid for the bag. So we have the palette, which is really pretty, by Maybelline. TooFaced lipstick, which that's my favorite. I absolutely love that. We have a MaryKay makeup remover. These beautiful eyelashes. I wish they were magnetic. I would definitely wear them. That's actually an eyeliner, a black eyeliner, from what she says in her note. And then the brown for the powder for the eyebrows. I can't do that. I have black hair. We got a bar of soap. And then we got these samples, which I'm definitely going to get use out of the samples as well for the lipstick. And then those stars for around the eyes. I don't know how to use that. I'll look into that. So what do you think? How much do you think it's worth? What do you think I paid? Let me know in your comments below, guys. And don't forget to read the description so you see what I paid. It's a good deal. I'm definitely going to get in on her bags if she decides to start it up again. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.